Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. Hi, how you doing? So today I'm going to be making shrimp. I've got some nice large shrimps here, as you can see, with broccoli in oyster sauce. This is going to take no time at all. It is absolutely divine. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so what we have here is some broccoli. I've got like one head, like that size fist, you know, of broccoli, and equal amounts of shrimps. Now the shrimps I'm using are quite big, quite a lucky boy. You can do this with a smaller one if you want. So there's probably about 3 cups in total of each. I've got 1 cup of onion, 2 teaspoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon, maybe a little bit more, of sliced fresh ginger, and here I've got some chili. Now these chilies look like fire, but they're not actually that hot. They look a little bit more dangerous than they are. That's about it. We're going to start this off with some oil. We're going to add a few just other little bits and pieces. So I've got a little pan, warkos, skillet. You're going to need something like that. I've got about 3 tablespoons of oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. Heat's on fairly high. We're going to drop in the ginger and the garlic, and we just want to go for a few seconds. They're really going to infuse that oil, make it taste beautiful. Next up, 1 cup of onion sliced, and we're going to go just for like 3 minutes on this high heat. Keep it moving. Okay, so we're now going to add in the shrimps. Now my shrimps, like I say, are quite big, quite lucky to get these ones, but if you want to use a smaller one, no problem. Now these were frozen, so I just put them into some cold water for a little while and then drained them off. We're now going to also add our broccoli, and we want to go for about 4 to 5 minutes, nearer to 4 than 5 I would imagine. I'm going to be stir frying this and moving it around all the time. We're nearly done. It's fabulous, this is. Okay, brilliant. Now I like quite a crunch on my broccoli. So yeah, you can cook it a bit longer if you want, but I'm a firm believer in the crunch. Some black pepper. A couple of nice pinches of that. Now I'm not going to add any salt because the fish sauce is very salty, the soy and the oyster, they're all quite salty, so no need to add any extra salt. So let's go now with that fish sauce, couple of teaspoons, and that really is salty. The soy, now you can be using a dark or a light soy. This is a light one. The oyster sauce, in that goes. We're going to add a little bit of water. I mean, not too much at all. We're going to get those chilies, like I say, which are not super fire. I mean, they've got some heat to them, but nothing crazy. And then we're going to go on this high heat just for another 3 or 4 minutes, stir frying all the time, and we are done, and that is absolutely beautiful. Okay, and there you go. Absolutely wonderful. Takes no time at all. Now I've just popped a few little sesame seeds on the top. You could put some green onions on there if you want. Beautiful with white rice. I hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. we're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.